Let's taste and rate every single flavor of Quest bar. Chocolate chip cookie dough. The cookie dough flavor really works with the chewy Quest bar texture. I also love the addition of the chocolate chips. It does taste pretty artificial though. 6 out of 10. Birthday cake frosted cookie. Firm outside and soft inside. Texture and flavor are amazing for a protein product. 9 out of 10. Cookies and cream. I love the cookie pieces and the white chocolate chips. 8.5 out of 10. Double chocolate chip protein cookie. Really rich chocolate flavor and great texture. 8.5 out of 10. S'mores. The marshmallow flavor is so strong. I love the crunch of the graham cracker. 9 out of 10. Caramel chocolate chunk. Tastes like the cookie dough with less of that artificial flavor. 8.5 out of 10. Dipped cookies and cream. The chocolate on the outside actually has a really nice flavor. It helps to contrast with the chewy Quest bar. 8 out of 10. Peanut butter cups. It's like a protein version of a Reese's cup. Chocolate on the outside is actually pretty rich, but it's a little bit artificial. 6.5 out of 10. Chocolate chip cookie. The flavor and texture is amazing. Honestly, wouldn't even be able to tell this is like a protein product. 10 out of 10. White chocolate raspberry. Tastes really artificial. I like the chewy raspberry pieces though. 6 out of 10. Not too rich either. Bake Shop chocolate brownie. Super soft, rich, and crumbly. Amazing for a protein product. 10 out of 10. Chocolate brownie bar. The chocolate flavor is pretty good, but it's a bit boring. Wish there were chocolate chips. 4.5 out of 10. Chocolate peanut butter. Peanut butter flavor is very artificial and a bit sickly. 3.5 out of 10. Dipped chocolate chip cookie dough.